So this is the Oasis. It's one piece that can do everything from sound to coffee table, ice bucket, or even a fire pit. We have 3 different sizes. This is the bigger one. 11 options on stones. And those woven ropes here, we got 5. Regarding the sound, 2 subwoofers, 6 drivers, 200 watts total. You can control if this remote through the Bluetooth or AirPlay 2 or Chromecast. Or we even have the HDMI ARC, so you can connect a TV or an auxiliary. So that's even though it's outdoor, you have a TV or a LED panel, just send the sound for the table and enjoy.
That's cool.
So pretty easy, just plug in the electricity and you have sound in your backyard or even though in your living room if you want it.
Yeah.
So,
you know, we've seen the photos and stuff and love it, but it's fun to see it in person.
yeah, I know.
The lights are so fun.
So everything aluminum. The lights you can control, they're 12 volt, they're dimmable, you can integrate to Savant, Control 4, Lutron with PWM. And we have 2 versions, 240, so whenever you don't want it to bother your neighbors, or if you have a big house, it's a 360.
Got it.
Okay? Only one piece of this can do 3,000 square feet.
Wow.
Okay? And so most of the installs, they just got one of these, but whenever you got a bigger area, a pair, 2 pairs, and so on. Partner of us, our distributor from Dubai, he just sold for a dealer in Bahrain a house with 10 of these.
Okay, that's
really
cool.
Impressive. I want to see this project.
Yeah, right?
For sure. And we have 90 options of colors. In the acrylic here, it can be white, or like the other one, it's black. So whenever it's off in a black cabinet, you almost don't see it.
Oh, yeah.
So it's pretty sleek. Everybody loves this black finish. So really interesting product.